All right, for those of you looking to download and install Windows 11, there are two ways to do that. One, you can simply go ahead and upgrade your current running Windows 10 to Windows 11, only if your hardware is compatible with. And of course, you can download it from Microsoft website as well. So to start with, I'll go through the process of downloading a copy of Windows 11 on my machine. The easiest way for that is open your internet browser, type google.com, type Windows 11 media creation tool. That's where you will be presented with a link to microsoft.com/software download. Just open that. Here you have it, Windows 11 Installation Assistant. There are three ways you can do this. One, you can seek Microsoft help with Installation Assistant. Two, create Windows 11 installation media. And three, download Windows 11 Disk ISO. In my case, I'll start with downloading Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. I'll select the Windows and hit download. To download, I'll have to select my language. I'll choose English International, confirm, and I'll click on 64-bit download. All right, now that I have downloaded Windows 11 64-bit on my computer, if I wanted to upgrade my machine, all I need to do is right-click on ISO image and mount the Windows 11 ISO image on my computer and start with setup. Double-click. Yes. Or if I wanted to install Windows 11 on a different machine, then I have to create a bootable thumb drive in order to boot the computer with bootable image to install Windows 11 on it. All right, this will do for today's video. I really appreciate you sticking with me. Please do subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and please comment below if you have any questions or you want me to work on different series of video. Thank you very much. Have a good one.